When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way.
Hi guys and girls, welcome to my channel. My name is Bree and you have just now entered the state of Texas, baby. If you enjoy cleaning motivation with a side of giggles and shopping content, go ahead and subscribe, bestie. I promise you will not regret it. In today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning my kitchen from the top to the bottom. Stay tuned because the results are so satisfying.
It's like this. We hold each other high, but we fall at some.
Hey Siri, power off. Hey Siri, shut off. So I'm going to start off with cleaning the cabinets, and I just have a bucket of hot water with some Lysol multi-surface cleaner, and I was going to remove the items on the top of the cabinets, but your girl has T-Rex arms, okay? So I may save that for another video, and I'll have my mom to do it because she's taller with longer arms. And honestly, I just did not want to deal with all her knick-knack paddywhacks, okay?
When it hurts like this, you gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love, you're feeling something, hey, you cannot control, just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective, just in time you came, and I love it, it's so great to have in my life.
So what I'm spraying here is the Method Wood for Good, and I'm using this after I go over the cabinets with the cleaning solution that I have in my bucket, and that's only to restore the shine. So of course this video is sped up, but it took me about an hour to clean all the cabinets, the top and the bottom. And baby, please believe I have carpal tunnel after going through all 7 cracks in each cabinet. I wanted to go ahead and spray the oven and allow for it to sit while I finish cleaning the cabinets.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight.
So if you're new here, hey new bestie, I just wanted to come on and give a little bit of background about myself. So my name is Bree. I live in Texas. I'm 32 years old. I'm not married and I don't have any children. I live in this house with just me and my mom. And I'm just your best friend that loves to clean. And I also love to shop. Like, I don't have a shopping addiction, but on a scale from 0 to 100, I would say I'm at like a 60%. Like if I had a financial advisor, they would probably fire me.
I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. Cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you love me, cause it's not a thing. It's not a thing.
Lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real?
I'm using the Method Antibacterial Spray in the scent Bamboo, which is my absolute favorite from the Method line. And if you're using a product with a disinfecting agent in it, always leave it down for 10 minutes after you spray it.
I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love.
So this is an SOS pad cut in half. I'm going to use this to start cleaning the oven to break down some of that rust and stuck on grease before I start using my next product.
Visions of you, breathe you tonight, I'll be dating tonight, I'll be dating.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I was safe and sound. And we just slow down. For you and I was safe and
So I'm going to use this product from Mrs. Meyers. It's a baking soda cream cleanser. It kind of puts you in the mind of Barkeeper's Friend. It's just not as abrasive. And of course, it's more natural than Barkeeper's Friend. But I'm going to let this sit in the oven until it dries down. And then I'm going to come back to wipe everything up. And that way, it's kind of giving me like an abrasive effect at the same time as a shine. I can't really explain it. And unfortunately, I forgot to film the after of cleaning the oven. And it really wouldn't matter anyway, because I don't know if you guys can see, like before I put the cream cleanser down, there's a sign in the oven that says, "Do not put foil down." Ask me what I did. I put foil down. So as of right now, there is foil stuck to the bottom of the oven that's been sitting there for a few days, and I really don't know how I'm about to clean it out, but yes, please read your labels. Please read period, girl, okay? Reading is fundamental.
we need a change. I feel that you mean
let me take you back to a time when love was as precious as diamonds. Where if you search, you would find it. I know that times have changed, but I don't wanna play no games, baby. I'll treat you different, show you commitment. She might be my baby, let me love you crazy. Let me hold you down like gravity to the ground. Oh, be my baby, I ain't gonna be shady, I ain't messing around. Let's fall in love.
So there are two chores that I absolutely dread. One is sweeping because it just puts my back on 10,000. And the second one is hand washing dishes. I absolutely hate hand washing dishes. It not only hurts my back, but it kills my fingers and my wrist. And because I'm a naturally deep and thorough cleaner, I can't just run the rag across the dish and be done with it. I have to scrub the dish multiple ways, multiple times. It's just this OCD thing that I have in my brain, right? So it just takes me a lot longer to hand wash dishes. I would just prefer to use the dishwasher. Now, with that being said, I'm the only woman in my family that wants to use the dishwasher. I just don't understand why someone would want to hand wash dishes for that long. Or maybe it's just me because it takes me a long time. But I'm not running the dishwasher because our dishwasher is broken. And ironically, in the last house, my mom's dishwasher was broken as well. So I'm starting to think it's a conspiracy, maybe she's breaking it on purpose so I don't have a choice but to hand wash. I don't know, it's a setup, okay? But pray for my hands, pray for my back, pray that the Lord restores my strength, okay?
Retro love, give you that retro love.
I'm cutting dice. Look at these eyes. They're not here to please you. There was a time you could be mine before all that you put me through. I knew that you were trouble, but I let that you were bad. I'm living in this bubble and it makes you so mad. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to Don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. Oh, yeah, I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Oh, yeah, I'm good either way. I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you would do whatever, bad and done together. But baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? You know, you know, what happened to forever? You know, you know, don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see.
So if you're new here, I always like to go in and remove all the food and the debris from my countertops before I spray down my product. And to me, it makes the most sense because I don't want to spray my cleaning product on top of food. Like, I'd rather remove all of the food and the debris from the surface first and then go in with my product so I can actually penetrate the surface.
You know, you know,
Never thought I'd believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine, 'cause we'll be laying in the sun. So you can let your head down. I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make plans, it's all in your hands. I'm too busy, I'm spending all my time with you. Driving through the states, don't know what awaits. It don't matter, I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time with you. Oh, I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time with you. I've seen your smile light up the darkest rooms. I'll put your love on top, 'cause I know you will too.
So I'm using my Cash App card to go in the cracks and the crevices of the stovetop. And I only use that card because it's already old and raggedy and it's about to expire. And I left my Cash App. So if you're feeling generous, I accept. Okay? All right, bye.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know.
So here's a small tip. To make sure that you didn't leave anything behind, get eye level with your countertops.
Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always.
I'm using the same solution as I did with the top cabinets. It's just a fresh batch.
I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I
I don't know what this was stuck on the floor, but my mom was able to get it up with a butter knife. And I know it looks like she's digging into the floors, but she's really not. She's just gently going over whatever it was that was stuck on the floor. So shout out to you, Mom. Mama.
Perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think that ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think that ain't nobody perfect. 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 If I can't, you don't like, 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 you don't like. If I can't, you don't like, you don't like. If I can't, you don't like, you don't like. If I can't, you don't like, you don't like. If I can't, you don't like, you don't like.
I was talking to my mom at the time, and I'm mad at her because she didn't tell me that my headband was slowly turning into a ponytail holder. While I let the method sit for 10 minutes, I'm going to clean the backsplash with the Scrub Daddy and some Dawn dish soap.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. that told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in, so take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place, so take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith.
If you made it to the end, thank you so much for showing your support. And if this video gave you some motivation, go ahead and subscribe. And even if it didn't give you motivation, but it gave you just a few giggles to make your day a little bit brighter, go ahead and subscribe, friend. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.